Hi, my name is Mackenzie. I'm one of the groomers here at Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm going to give Rhoda a bath. Rhoda is one of my favorite patients. And I'm just going to show you how to give a bath at home. First, obviously you're going to need water and a good tub or shower. Next, I like to get the water a lukewarm temperature. Definitely not too hot because they have a nice layer of fur on their body, so they get hot pretty quick. Next, I'm just going to start from the back and work my way to the front because obviously I don't want to get any water in their ears. And if they are an anxious dog, it is helpful to work your way from the back to the front and not start with the face. I also like to make sure I'm getting nice and wet underneath their belly. The face is what I'll do last. Once all the fur is adequately soaked with water, then you're going to want your soap and your shampoo. We use an aloe and oatmeal here, so it is very soothing on the fur. And here I'll just start working my way again from the back to the front. And I'll make sure I get the soap right down to their paw pads. Give the paw pad a little scrub. And right down to the base of the tail, similar to giving your own hair a shampoo in the shower. I like to get the fur nice and sudsy and nice and clean. I want to feel the soap in there so I know that it's actually doing its job, getting all that dirt out. And again, I'll do the face last. This way, if I start with the back and move my way to the front, then the back is already soaking a little bit while I work my way to the front. And for the face, I like to just gently rub it in to their muzzle, around their ears. I don't want to get any soap in their eyes, obviously. And I want to get underneath their chin and their little beard. And sometimes I'll do a nice little massage if they're feeling a little anxious. And once all the soap is nice and sudsy and I feel it all over their body, then I'll just let it sit in there for a minute or two. Okay, and again, I never put the water right on the dog until I feel the temperature first to make sure that it's not scalding hot or not ice cold. Once it's a nice lukewarm temperature, again, I'll start from the back and work my way towards the front. Once I'm done, I go right to the face and I try to squeeze out any excess water off the face, especially off the ears. If your dog does have ear infections or is prone to getting them a lot, then you can put cotton in the ears prior to giving the bath. Rhoda isn't prone to ear infections, and I will be cleaning her ears out next, so I'm not too worried about giving her face a little clean. Then I'll just press off the extra water. Make sure she doesn't have any soap left. Get my towel. And then I'll do the opposite for drying. I'll start with her face. Give her ears a nice little squeeze.